So here we have the Hyundai Tucson 1.6 GDI SE on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. And then underneath this section, even more space should you need it. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. The seats are as good as new, as you can see. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start off with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. You can see in the middle, the total miles on this car are 12,531. The information that's displayed above that, which is currently a digital readout for the speedometer, can be changed using buttons on the steering wheel. Not only do you have a trip computer menu, you have a system menu, tyre pressures, and then all your kind of user settings, and then back round to the beginning again. Those buttons that I was using to do that are these ones on the right hand side of the steering wheel here. We've also got cruise control and speed limiter on that side of the steering wheel. On the left hand side we have stereo controls, the ability to answer and end phone calls, and we have voice activation for the phone as well. So hit that button, ask it to dial any one of your contacts list, and it can do that for you without you having to take your phone from your bag or pocket. That is, of course, once you paired the phone, which is done on this screen over in the centre just here using the buttons beneath it. Hit the phone and then just follow the instructions on screen. When it comes to radio, you can see this car's got FM, AM and DAB digital radio. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. You can either use the auxiliary input, the USB input, or you can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio once you've paired your phone up. Working our way down, we've got the dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the temperature on either side of the car. Fan speed up and down in the middle here. Direction of the air. So you can have any of those. And then hit that button to turn the air conditioning on. Or hit auto and the car will take complete control of the fan speed to maintain those temperatures that you've asked for. And you can override that at any point in time you wish to. For those winter months, we also have a heated driver and passenger seat as well, which you can see just there. Then beneath that, we have two 12-volt charging sockets, the auxiliary input and the USB input, a 6-speed manual gearbox, next to which we got these 4 buttons. So this one turns off the parking sensors, that turns off the stop and start. So this car's designed to cut out when you're stationary in traffic to save you fuel. You can turn that system off. If you know you're going to take the car off-road, hit that button and the car will limit its kind of downhill speed. It just makes it a lot easier to drive off-road. And that one is a steering mode, so you can put it into normal or sport basically. When the car is in sport mode, it becomes, or the steering becomes a lot firmer. And then normal mode will be your, everyday driving. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.